Today, we will make the index versus active distinction concrete. First, we will walk through one real Indian market index, the Nifty 50, as a basket, a rule book, and a scoreboard. Then we will define a passive index fund and an active fund in plain language, name a pair of real schemes as labeled examples only, and only after that compare how each process uses the same index. By the end, you will tell the index apart from the fund, and replication apart from being measured against a benchmark. This is investor education, not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any scheme. Start with the basket. The Nifty 50 is an NSE equity index whose basket is 50 large, liquid companies chosen under published methodology. Everyday talk that the market was up often points at this basket, moving as a whole. Sensex is a related BSE basket of 30 names, same idea, different count, and exchange home. For this lesson, we stay with Nifty 50, so every later fund example points at one concrete list. Next, the rules. Membership is not a random tip sheet. Companies must meet eligibility and liquidity tests. Weights are usually described as free float market capitalization weighted. Larger free float giants influence the index more than equal weight would. The list is reviewed on a published schedule, commonly described as semi-annual for Nifty 50, so names can enter or leave when they stop meeting the criteria. Those rules are the methodology an index fund will later try to follow. Third, the scoreboard. The published Nifty 50 level is a number that tracks that 50-name basket under those rules. Watching the level on a phone or TV is not the same as owning the 50 stocks in your DMAT, and it is not the same as owning units of a mutual fund. The index is a benchmark scoreboard and rulebook. A fund is a product that holds securities for investors. Index is not automatic cash in your account. Now the two fund jobs, still before any race chart. A passive fund, usually called an index fund, follows that index methodology and aims to keep its return close to the index, allowing for costs and implementation gaps. An active fund researches securities, chooses what to own or skip, sizes positions, and deliberately departs from the benchmark in pursuit of its stated objective. Active names the decision process, not a promised win. Index does not mean guaranteed safety. Costs matter for both. Attach the two jobs to real Indian scheme names without treating either name as advice. UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund is an open-ended scheme whose job is to replicate/track the Nifty 50 methodology, subject to tracking difference and costs. Axis Large Cap Fund, formerly Axis Blue Chip Fund, is an active large cap scheme. Managers select and size stocks. Fact sheets disclose a large cap Tier 1 benchmark and commonly also show Nifty 50 TRI as an additional comparison line. Say the distinction out loud. Index fund replicates. Active fund is measured against a benchmark and may differ stock by stock. Naming a scheme is not a buy tip. Same index, different jobs, replicate versus select and compare. The trap. Hearing tracks Nifty 50. For an active fund and assuming it must hold the same 50 names in index weights. Zoom the index fund job with the chart. The benchmark is the Nifty 50 reference path from the published rules. A fund like the UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund is the tracking path that tries to stay close to it. Its job is not to beat the reference every month. Its job is to follow the declared methodology consistently. Knowing costs and implementation usually create a small gap called tracking difference. Zoom the active fund job. A manager of a scheme such as Axis Large Cap Fund researches, selects, rejects, and sizes positions, so the portfolio can differ from the Nifty 50 basket and weights. Those choices can help or hurt. After costs, the active path may finish above or below the same scoreboard the fact sheet uses for comparison. Active names the process, not the result. Being measured against Nifty 50 is not the same as replicating Nifty 50. Classify two funds by declared process without treating one illustrative finish as a permanent label. Classify Fund A as index because its portfolio follows the stated benchmark methodology. Classify Fund B as active because the manager makes selection and sizing decisions even when the fact sheet shows Nifty 50 for comparison. B remains active even in a year it lags. Lagging is an outcome, not the process definition. A is index, B is active. Neither label promises the next result. The trap, calling every fund that beat the benchmark active and every fund that lagged passive. Compare both funds with a benchmark that matches the scheme mandate and opportunity set, then use total return measures and account for costs. A small cap active fund against Nifty 50 is not a clean test of stock picking skill inside the large cap scoreboard we just learned. First match the job, then compare the path. Scheme names in this lesson were illustrations only. Always read the current SID and fact sheet for the live benchmark line. Nifty 50 is a 50-name basket under published rules, published as a scoreboard, not cash in your DMAT by itself. A passive index fund such as UTI Nifty 50 Index fund tries to replicate that methodology. An active fund such as Axis Large Cap Fund researches, selects, sizes, and is measured against a benchmark rather than copying the index. Either active outcome may beat or lag after costs, so process is not promise. Comment with the distinction that still feels unclear. Subscribe for the next mutual fund lesson, and open this lesson in the ExamMaster app to continue.